In this video, you'll learn how to change the maximum number of attendees in Microsoft Bookings so you can better control how many people can sign up for a specific service or event. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Bookings in your browser and signing into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on the main Bookings page, you'll usually see a navigation panel along the left side of the screen. That's where you can move between your calendar, customers, and services. To adjust how many people can attend a particular service, begin by going to the Services section in that left sidebar. Click on Services. This is where all of your existing services are listed, such as classes, consultations, or events you've set up. Each service can have its own settings, including its attendee limits. Find the service you want to update in that list. If you have a lot of services, you might scroll a bit or use any search or filter options available. But the key is to locate the exact service whose attendee limit you want to change. Once you see it, look to the right side of that service row. You should see a small pencil icon which represents Edit. Click the pencil or Edit icon next to the service. This opens up the detailed settings for that specific service. Here, you'll usually see multiple tabs or sections such as Basic Details, Availability, and maybe others depending on your setup. By default, or once you click into it, you want to be on the Basic Details tab. This is where you can control the core information about the service, like its name, description, duration, and anything related to how the booking behaves. Take a moment to let the page load fully so you can see all the fields. Within this Basic Details area, look for a field labeled Maximum Number of Attendees. This setting determines how many people can book this service at the same time. If the number is set to 1, that means it's essentially a one-on-one booking. If it's higher, it becomes more like a group session. Finding this field is important because changing it directly affects how many people can reserve that time slot. Click into the maximum number of attendees field, highlight the current number if needed, and then type in the new maximum you want to allow. For example, if you're turning a one-on-one appointment into a small group session, you might increase it to 5 or 10 attendees. On the other hand, if you want to limit access and make things more exclusive or manageable, you can lower the number. Just keep in mind that this change applies to all new bookings for this service going forward. Once you've entered your new attendee limit, the last step is to save your work. Look for the Save Changes button, usually located toward the bottom or top right of the service settings page, and click it. Give it a moment to process. After saving, your updated maximum number of attendees is now in effect for that service. Future bookings will respect this new limit, helping you better manage capacity and avoid overbooking. That's all you need to do to change the maximum number of attendees in Microsoft Bookings.